Okay guys, shout out sa inyong lahat guys. Chrome versus Lanes 2. Puro mga bigating team to. Hop, ya.
Magnayan Magnayan, pinasa sa loob, ito yung September Tulipan, back to Reyes, back to Vince now, back to Reyes, 5. 2 points, third line. Eight minutes and 11 seconds remaining for the first quarter to Boss. Boss now, harap sa bahilahan. Boss driving in. Pinasa sa loob, nawala ang bola. Back to Vince. Vince now, is dribbling, pinababa ang bola. And then for 3. Vince! Magnayan now, dribbling the ball. Sumakagasa, tumira, wala. Rebound right Chavez, umikot. Nakakay Magnayan, sa bebe. Magnayan now, looking for receiver. Bartolala. Kyle. 7 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Pasundahan sila. Nakita yun, ganda ng Dan 2 points, Lucky now, driving in, sumalaksak, Vince now, 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining, Satu, Dan, and then Sowisel, pushing foul out, Ranay now, pinababa ang bola, back to Magnayan. Magnayan now, is it dribbling? Aras na ba'y pinasa sa loob ng line, pero pinasa kay Dahan. Left. 2 points, 4 points. Lucky foul, don't go with it. Vince now, pinasa kay Dahan, pero may pito.
Okay guys, tactical operator guys.
5 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. Now, pinasa kay Lucky. Lucky now. Dribbling the ball. Aras to by Ben. Tumira, pero may pino tayo. First row. Pasok pa rin, making it. Intercepted. Lucky now, lays up. 2 points, third line. Going for receiver, back to Ben. Ben's now, checks the play. No receiver, pass to Dalmasio, 5 for 3, 1 go, about to Ranay. Ranay pass to Magnayan. Magnayan now, hanap to Dahan. Magnayan, dribbling the ball, pinasa sa loob, pero nawala. Then now, 5 minutes remaining for the first quarter for 3. One goal, Bartolaba, Pastor Ranay now, Pastor Magnayan, Rajin, lays up, one goal, rebound the ball, there is no Rado. Ranay now, looking for receiver, Pastor Magnayan. 4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Pastor Lucky, that there's a... Nagkasabay, one goal, and there's no whistle. Intercepted, pero napapalit yung bench. Bench malaksak, pinasakay dahan. There's 2 points, 35. Five seconds remaining for the first quarter. Jumpers ready. One go. Rebound by Doritan. Doritan, pinasakay dahan. Masyadong malakas. MTP seconds remaining. Let's start mo natin. One go. Rebound by dahan. Daan now, para sa bayan lagi, munting pasundan, dire-diretso, naisap, nakalusot,
sayang.
Lagi now, willing naman, sasagasan, nasundutan, pinasakay Chavez now, looking for receiver, pass to Magnaye to Lagi, pinasakay Ranay, one goal, rebounder by Chavez, nawala, bola. Then now, pass to Marcelo to Miranda, one goal, rebound Bartolaba now, looking for receiver, pass to Boss now, pinasakay Ranay, pass to Bartolaba, attempt for 3, one goal, rebound Chavez, follows up, wala pa rin, rebounder by Ranay now, pass to Lucky, foul, one goal, rebounder by Miranda, pass to 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Back to Dalmasio. Back to Vince now. 10 seconds shot clock. Back to Dalmasio, attempts for 3. Dalmasio! Last 2 minutes remaining for the first quarter. Face now, dribbling the ball, looking for receiver. Pass to Miranda sa loob. Let's 2 points, 5 minutes. 8-20. 12 ang kalamangan ng Let's 2. 12 ang hinahabol ng Pro. Lagi now, harap to by Ben. Lagi now, 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Lagi. Diving in, lays up, one go, rebound by Reyes. Kay Reyes pa rin ang bola, maikli ng pagkakahawak, Dalmasio, pass to Benz now, grabbing in, lays up, one go, rebound Marcelo, ready. One go, rebounder by Dennis, pass to Rocky. Lagi now, ayan na si Lagi, sumasang nasa, lays up, wala pa rin. Chavez ang bola, dalawang laban sa isa, diskarte, pinasa, pero let's do. 1 minute remaining for the first quarter. Marcelo now, para to by Chavez. Marcelo, Francis pass, one goal. Rebounded by Reyes. Is that 2 points? Dribbling the ball. Is the dribbling? 15 seconds shot clock. Pass to Chavez. Back to ball. And then 4-2. One goal. Rebound by Agape. Agape now. Pinasakay lang pero may pivot na. 29 seconds Nakuha ni Lucky. 24 seconds remaining. Lucky daw. Pasto ang tabi. Pagwago matul sa 19 segundos.
Okay guys, second quarter guys.
Pass to Ben. Ben to Marcelo. 5 for 3. What go? Lucky now. Dribbling. Dancing. Side 2 points. Next to Ben. Ben now. Dribbling the ball. Attack for 3. Dribbling the ball. Attack for 3.
Counted.
Second training. One go and there's no whistle. Nine now. Dribbling the ball. Sets the play. Looking for receiver. Harap to Beren again. Back to Manese. Manese now. Lapit ka din. Sabay tira. One go. Rebound Chavez. Wala pa rin. Kanya pa rin. Chavez now. Looking for receiver. Back to Magnayan. 5 for 3. One go. Rebound to Magnayan. Reyes now. Dribbling the ball. Hinay-hinay lang.
Kwa na yun.
Manese now. Ayan na si Manese, pinasa kay Lucky. Lucky driving in, lays up, one go, rebound naman siya, 2. Ayan si Dave, pinasa kay Marcelo, foul, one go, rebound naman Manese. Harap ko kay Marcelo. Pass to Lucky. Lucky now, 8 minutes and 15. Pass to Agape. Agape, rebound siya, wala, rebound naman siya, 2. Masyado pala siya. Pass to Ben. Ben now. Pass to Kato. Kato. Sumataglasak. Tumira. Wala. Rebound to Ben Lucky. Lucky now. Back to Agape. Agape. Stop. Pass to Lucky. Attempting. Labit from Ben. Jump shot. There's the whistle. Goal ka daw. Ayun. Pag-wait ka ng remaining. Magnayan now. Magnayan, driving in. Intercepted, nagkatumbaan, pinasa kay Lucky. Lucky now, attempt for 3. One go. Rebound to Marcelo. Ayan na, ingat-ingat tayo mga kaibigan. Ayan na si Ben, siniscarded. Yan lang. Habang nagkaroon na tayo ng disgrasya, buti na lang kami. Pasok. 2 points, survive ka 2. 7 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. So Agape. Agape now. Agape. Driving in. Plays up 2 points. Dan now. Dan. Dribbling the ball. Harap ko may pinasa. Nakuha pa rin yung lahat. Lahat. Now, dribbling the ball. Easy dribbling, looking for receiver, pakutulipan, pinasa kay Dalmasi sa loob, sabay tira, wala, rebound to kay Manese. Nakarangan ng tatlo, ayan na, di nakakalaw, pinasa kay Lucky. Ayan na si Lucky. Lucky, atake sa sakata. Is up 2 points, Kulipan, pass break to tahan, sakto. 2 points, 4 right. Seconds remaining. One go. Rebound to Ben Kulipan. Kulipan, back to Ben. Bench now. Giving the ball. Pinasa kay Dalmaso. Dalmaso. Attack. 5-1 goal. Rebound by Lucky. Lucky now. Nagmamadali. Hinahabol. Lucky at tayo sa may team. Sibang at saka sabi nga nila. Boss attempting, pinasa kay Agape at Rangel sabay tira pero mahaba si Reyes. Agape, looking for Silver, Pastolaki. Has 1 goal. Ayaw na. Hamon. Pinasa kay Dahan ang ganda ang ginawa. Ang bilis. Boss, ayun nakagawa. 4 minutes and 42 seconds remaining. Back to Ben. Benstao is in her lane. Setting the play, looking for Silver. Pinasa niya. Ayan na, si Pagkaye, pinasa kay Chavez. Chavez, intercepted by number 28. Benstao. Giving the ball, is in her lane. Setting the play. Pinasa kay Tolitar, pero intercepted by Chavez. Chavez, back to Lucky. Ayan na si Lucky, pinasa kay Agape. Tirando. Boom pa rin. Kuwanta tayo, ilang tayo. So Agape now. Pinasa kay Magdaye. Magdaye, driving in. Foul. What go? Rebound goal by Dahan. Dahan pa to Ben. There down, challenge Magdaye. Then, nagkaikot-ikot, pinasa. Pero, 35 ang score natin. 12 ang kalamangan. Sato, Van. What go? Nakabunggo ng dalawang wicket eh. Lucky shot, 2 points. Tulipan daw. Back to Dahan. Dahan now. Dahan. Sampo pa rin ang kalamangan ng Lens 2. Ayan na si Ben. Benstao, lumipot si Ben, pasudahan. Dahan, jump shot, 1 low. Rebound by Ranay. Ranay, tumak na lang. Kasalamak na Lucky. Ayan na naman si Lucky. Ang takip, nakalusot, pinasa. Ranay, lumipot si Ben. Pinasa kay Bartolabak. Bartolabak, ayun na ako. Ayan na si Ben. Tupol para kay Maratan, Ranay. Pasto Matmat, 1 go. Rebound by Kato. Kato daw. Muntik mawala. Ayan ko ni si Ben. Benstao. Set the play. Pasto Kato. Kato. First round Kato by Kato. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Kato. Back to boss. Boss now. Challenge there. Boss. Nasa kay Ranay. What go? Rebound by Ben. 2 minutes. Benstao. Set the play. 15 seconds shot clock. Last 2 minutes remaining. They run down the ball. 10 seconds shot clock. 1 minute and 53. 14. What go? Rebound by Lucky. Lucky now. Dribbling. Pinasa kay Magdaye. Wala pa rin. Rebound Ranay. Follow sa up 2 points. Take the ball. 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining. Back to Marcelo. Marcelo. Attack. Pinasa kay Miranda. Intercepted by Boss. Ayan na si Boss. Challenge is Ben. Kung minat na kalusot, wala. Rebound pa rin siya. Wala pa rin. Rebound mo ba? Ranay. 37, sakto pa rin ang kalamangan ng Lens 2. Benstao, Pass to Marcelo. Marcelo, pass to Ben. Pass to Dahan. Aaron Turbay, pass to Marcelo. 1 goal, rebound Turbay. Now, pass to Magnay. Miranda, third personal foul. Last 1 minute remaining. Pass to Boss. Attempting for 3. 1 goal, inside
45 seconds guys remaining time in second quarter.
Is the dribbling. Check the play. Pastukato. 15 seconds shot clock. Pastukato. Pass for 3. 1 goal. Rebound for Meranay. Pass break. Pasyado. Malakang. Check pa rin ni Magnaye. Sa walang bola. Continuous remaining. 15 seconds shot clock. Lucky. Lucky now. Bumangka sa malaki. And as you said, 15 seconds remaining. Nakakuha, 10 seconds. 1 goal. 5 seconds.
Sayang 5 seconds guys.
And score 11. 28-37. Siyam ang kalamangan ng Lens 2.
Okay guys, third quarter guys, third quarter. Chrome ball. Humangin.
Now, dribbling the ball. And that sets the play.
Oy, biglang bumagyo.
Ben, ayun, huli ka. Second shot lang. Tinasakay rin sa loob. Sabay tira. Wala. Sa kanya pa rin ang bola. Third out whistle. Wala pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin ang rebound. Tinasap pero Lucky on the ball. Lucky now. Nakalusot. Wala. Rebound by Dahan. Dahan. Nakuha ni Magnay ang bola. Nice defense by Magnay. Pinasa kay Challenge. Challenge foul. 1 goal. Rebound by Dahan. Vince down. Vince down dribbling the ball. Vince nasundutan pero nakuha pa rin yung Dahan. Dahan ang bola. Kaninong bola rin. Parang by Bulan Nadi. Tinasa kay Agape. Jump shot. 1 goal. Rebound by Tulipan. Pantay ko Bulan Nadi. Ayaw na si Bulan Nadi. Puntos yun, puntos. Bentaw, patunahan, masyadong mataas. 30-40, 10 pa rin ang kalamangan. Chavez now, pass. 1 goal, rebound by Tulipan. Tulipan pass. Ang score mo natin, 30-40, 10 pa rin ang kalamangan ng Lens 2. Dahil masyadong malaki ang bangkay. Nung first giver, double team, pinasa kay Reyes. Reyes ang kulitan, pero nakuha ni Bartolabak. Bartolabak sumunod. Boss now, si Giscarte, bumangat, tinira kay Agape. Puntos. Pakto Kato. Kato daw, challenge Lucky. Kato, malaki, bumangga. Lucky now on the ball. Lucky dribbling. Harap sa may Dahan. Lucky now, naging sayawan, tinasa kay Boss, tumira sa tres. Wala, rebound sa may Lucky. Lucky now, reverse shot. 1 goal, rebound na kami. Sabay ang kalamangan ng Lenso. Nababawasan na ang kalamangan. Anim na lang yan. Dahanaw. Gagawin. Yun, masyadong malaki. Over pa rin niya ang bola. 6 minutes and 45 seconds remaining for the first quarter. And there's no whistle. Lucky now. Jump shot. One go. Rebound by Tulipan. Tulipan. Marcelo now. Looking for Tibor. Pastor Reyes. Reyes to Dahan. Dahan. Finish natin. Sabay tira. Wala. Rebound by Tulipan. Tulipan to Marcelo. Kapit ang ball. Wala. Rebound by Chavez. Chavez now. And there's no whistle. 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Box now. Dribbling the ball. Looking for Tibor. Pastor Agape. Agape now. Setting the play. 10 seconds shot clock. Agape, 5, 10, 10, 7. Order. No line. Let's go. One go. Tulipan now. Pinasakay Marcelo. Marcelo now. Naligin. Pinasakay Dahan. Dahan. Harap by Lucky. Dahan. One go. Rebounder by Reyes sa labas. Got now, dribbling the ball. Pass to Agape. Agape now. Agape lulunod ko na. Pass to Lucky. Lucky now, driving in. Pass to ball. Serve by Lucky. Boss now. Boss now is improving. Boss stops and shoot. Let's go. Rebound by Tulipan. Tulipan now. 5 minutes remaining for the first quarter. Dahan now. Harap by Lucky. Munting pasundutan. Dahan right. One go. Rebound by Reyes. Follows up. Two points. Four by Reyes. Lucky now. Lucky now. Jump shot. One go. Rebound Reyes. Reyes back to Dahan. Dahan didiskarte. Sabay tira. At 2 puntos. Manese now. Manese. Bumaga. Wala. Rebound sa Tulipan. Tulipan now. Pinasakay Dahan. Dahan now. Dahan. Pinasa. Pero now. Pinasa kay Tulipan. Tulipan, kung ato. Kato, masyado malaki yan. Talsik ka. 2 points. Let's do.
So,
Manese out. Ayun na, Tulipan na. Tulipan, pinasa sa loob, pero pasto Tulipan. Tulipan, pasto Marcelo. Marcelo now. 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Pasto Reyes. Reyes fouls. One go. Follows up. Nawala ang bola. Ayan na. Kaninong bola? 27 seconds remaining. Pasto Marcelo. Marcelo now. 10 seconds shot clock. Intercepted, sa kanya pa rin. Kato now. Pinasa kay Dahan. Dahan, double team, bundle sa Boss now. Boss now, dribbling the ball. Boss, taps and shoot. One go. Rebounder by Reyes. Pass to Dahan. Nakuha nila ang bola. Lucky now. Ayan ang si Lucky, didiskarte, lulusok, muntik mawala, kanya pa rin, pero may pito tayo. Let's go, pasok, jumper 20 for the final two. One go, rebounded by Chavez, pass to Lucky. Lucky now, to shoot. Boss, attention three. Boss. The boss, 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Boss now, stop and shoot for three. One go. Rebounded by Marcelo. Marcelo now. Ayan na si Marcelo. Sasayak-yak, leg-up, one go. Rebounded by Chavez. Chavez now. Pass to Boss. Boss now. Ayan na si Boss. Walang katakot-takot. Lucky attempts for three. Lucky. Forty-three na pala yun. Third quarter pa lang tayo. Dahan on the ball. Looking for receiver. Kato. Guys, one go. Rebound by Chavez. Pass to Lucky. Lucky now. Dribbling the ball. Harap to 5 men. Pass to Boss. Boss, pass to Padilla.
Tinadong! Oy, pa-foul pa.
First goal. Pasok.
Okay guys, fourth quarter guys. The final quarter. Labang pa rin ang crew ay
Susunod na maglalaro. TNC laban sa Base. Kumanta na. Tuliman now. Looking for receiver. Pass to Base. 15 seconds shot clock. Bago. Pasok. Pare. Personal foul mo. Pang-apat mo na yun. Kato. One go. Nabago tayo ngayon. Nakuha pa rin yung Lucky. Lucky. Pass to Bartolaba. Pass to Padilla. Ayan si Padilla. Kakatangay. Pinasakay ng guy. One go. Nabago tayo dahan. Dahan now. Pass to Ben. Good. 47. 57. Pa rin tayo. Pass to Dalmacio. 5. One go. Nabago tayo Reyes. Reyes foul. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Lucky. Lucky now. Eto sa 9 minutes and 11 seconds remaining. Padilla. Back to Boss. Boss now. Pass for 3.
Tarong ka dong, ganyan na dong.
Then now. Dribbling the ball. Setting the play. Pass for 3. Watch out. Ayan na si Boss. Boss now. Challenge na ako. Masyadong malaki. Rebound by Ben. Nelson the ball. Looking for Siman. Dahan now. Attack the ring. Pass. Nice play. Dahan. Nagawa pa niya yun. Doko natin. 47-57. Balik sa 10 ang kalabangan ng Lens 2. 8 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Padilla to Boss. Intercepted. Puti mawala. Pero hindi niya na-save.
Dito wala oh.
Paulan na nga dito. Nahabol ako ng ulan eh.
Lucky. Padilla. 5 for 3. Let's go. Rebound na kami. Natin, sana huwag niyong damdamin ang bawat laro. 7 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Last row, jumpers ready. Huli Cabalbon, nakuha pa rin yung Doritan. 10 seconds and left. 1 go, rebound po kay Tahan. Tahan, first row reserve.
Tapilok? Natapilok.
19 seconds remaining. 7 minutes and 19 seconds remaining.
Ah, sumangil rin, sumangil rin ha, sumangil, kumari lang yan.
Ingat lang tayo. Sabay lang, go, by Tahan. Jumpers ready. One go. Rebounder by Lucky. Lucky now. Lucky. Pinasa kay Padilla. Follow sa by Lucky. Pastor Miranda. Gajin. Agape na on the ball. Agape. Sasalaksak. Wala. Rebounder by. Agape. Wala pa rin. Agape pa rin. Wala pa rin. Agape pa rin.
Ulan, lumakas ng ulan.
Puntos para kay Ben. 59, 61, ay 54, 61. Lucky now. Lucky now, dribbling the ball. Setting the play. 10 seconds set clock. Nakipagsayawan kay Marcelo. Kasa-kasa, pero Martino. Ang kape sa labas. Looking for Silver. Pinasa kay Padilla. Padilla. Atas. Pinasa kay Chavez. Chavez, 10 seconds shot clock. Padilla man. Pero nawalang bola. Hawak ni Kato. Si Bensang Really now. 6 minutes remaining. 6 minutes remaining for this game. Bensao taking the ball. Score 54-61. Fire for 3. One goal. Remember by Agape. Agape now. Winning the ball. Agape. Bastao, back to Lucky. Lucky at the spot 3. One go. Rebounded by Tulipan now. Pastor Reyes. Reyes Pastor Reyes. 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining for this game. Score 54-67. Pito ang kalamangan ng Lens 2. Bensao setting the play. 10 seconds shot clock. Pass to Marcelo. Pass for 3. One go. Rebound by Padilla. Ayan na si Padilla. Nang mamadali. Kahit Pito tayo. Ito na ang decision game. Bastao attempts for 3. One go. Rebound by Kato. Kato now. Looking for Simon. Pass to Marcelo. Marcelo. Pass to Ben. Bensao. Dribbling the ball. 15 seconds shot clock. Well, one player rebounded by Tulipan. Score by Tulipan. Agape now. Dribbling the ball. Driving in. minuto, 13 segundos. Then now, dribbling the ball, setting the play. 10 seconds left. Satu kalah. One goal. Remando by Nacional. Satu. Pasok Ben. 10 seconds left.
Ay siya, sayang.
Marcelo attack, pero makuha ang bola. Ayan na si Padilla. Didiskarte ang talis ang klase na pinasakay ito. Nawala ang bola. Agabe. Five. Let's go. Reverse shot. Kay Agabe ang bola pa rin. Nakakabit ang bola.
Naku, naagaw pa.
Ay lucky. Seconds remaining. Both sides one. Marcelo now, Pastocato. Pastor there's now, dribbling the ball out of the by 7. There's on. Dribbling the ball out of the by 7. There's on. 54-62. 12 na ang kalabanan. Padilla Lisa. Ball thrown, one goal, rebounded by Reyes, pass to Ben, pass to Marcelo, Marcelo now, looking for Sigurd, pass to and there's now 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining, pass to Boss now, tinasa kay Chavez, pass to Lucky, pass to Padilla, 5 for 3, one goal, rebounded by Katu, Katu now, pass to Suliman, to Ben,
Oh, pati.
2 minutes remaining. 15 seconds shot clock. Pasok Katu. 10 seconds shot clock. Ready. 1 minute and 52 seconds remaining. Second go. One go. Rebound by Reyes. Tinasa kay Ben. Ben now. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds, set now! 14 seconds remaining. Score for London. 56-66. Sampo ang kalaban. Wala na. Let's do. Wala na kayong time out. Let's do. Then now, 1 minute and 20, 15 seconds shot clock. Tumakasa, wala. Rebound by Pantalabak, Pastulaki. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Lucky now, pass. 2 points to by Lucky. 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining. And those who 66, adik ang kalabangan. Patutuloy ang pangalawang laro natin at masuwit ang ating panahon. Wala seconds remaining. Pasok! 31 seconds remaining. First stop. Pasok. One go. Rebound to Mercado.
Okay. Nabawasan ng
63-71.
nagkaroon din ng talo. Nagkaroon ng talo. Okay. Okay.